break while my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views with an
Morning. There isn't much proper light here, but we work with what we have. So the time is 11:20. Yeah, I can't do edges, Mina. But yeah, I have this tendency of starting vlogs on a Saturday. I don't know where I get this thing from, but yeah. So basically, this vlog is gonna be about. I have tons of assignments now, so I'm trying to cover them. Yeah, well. So I have like how many? I have a lot. I think 10 on my list. I'll show you the list here. And today we're trying to tackle research. We might not finish, but we're starting. So I'm going to Starbucks right now because I don't have motivation in this race, unfortunately. So yeah, we're going to Starbucks and yeah, let's go. So yeah, let me show you the app.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at the time. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. If you want it, maybe it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense up. Think we need to have a
Something to eat. Not really matters to me or my life. I don't know what this place is called. Looks like there's some ice cream and treats. So there's the menu. That's the menu. See ya.
I'm outside, right outside, TT.
How many mouths have been in the stream? Please ask yourself that question. 100. But they're fine as young ones. So my name you get dishwasher. I wash. I'm the first one. I think you have everything that we use is been recycled. Now it's been 70 size has been used by more than 5. At least to wash our song is owned.
I'm outside in it.
We relocated to outside. We're just waiting for the food. I think it's taking longer than expected. And the light is not giving here. No, as I was being near my last. Socialize. Hussein Freeman. So Starbucks is full. So we're going to another cafe. We're gonna look for another cafe because Starbucks is full and we need to study. So we're just heading there right now to check, for another one.
let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal.
So guys, we're going back to Riz now.
Hi guys, so I'm back from Melrose. I actually feel hot. I took a bath. It's been a while since I came back. I think it's been like an hour or two, and I took a bath. I think I'm going to continue with work, but I wanted to show you guys my Bible. Look at this beautiful thing, guys. The way I'm so happy. Like, I'm not expressing my happiness right now because I feel sick. Like, I don't know what's going on, but guys, please check this out. Listen, it was 309. I don't know if you can see it. Yo guys, excuse the way I'm talking. Like, I'm really sick. I feel sick. So it's 309. It's the, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's the New King James Version. Then I already wrote that it's for me, and this is about the font. You see, I'm so happy, guys. Like, this together with my journal says in the beginning with God. This book will have more things inside. But yeah, like, I'm really happy, and I just feel sick right now. That's how I can't express it. But yeah, like, I'm gonna do some work. I don't know how, because I feel like when I say I feel sick, I feel sick. But yeah, let me go do that. I'm just gonna eat and do that. I don't think I'll show you guys the process. As you can see, I'm dying as it is. But you see, even when I'm dying, I'm still with you guys, like, forever. So I think it's just good night now. Wait, with more light, let me show you my Bible. Guys, it's giving. But yeah, good night from me and my Bible. We'll see you another day. I will see you tomorrow.
Found a guy, told me I was a star. He held the door, pen on paper, but his life needs to be saved.
I'm saying my drawing is. So you thinking my drawing is.
lapho uyazi ndo athi wacela athi le class ngichazele nje for 5 marks. Vele ngathi le ngibhale phezulu. Ekubile ngipiniye ngiyibhale phezulu.
I have not posted this slide yet, sorry about that. I'll post them hopefully.
Rolly in space. Ever since he was a kitten, Rolly has wanted to go in.
At the end, you're going to get a thing. You're going to WhatsApp it to me. And then you, in your group, each get one bonus point. Extra to get close to 75. Then that will
Class ended. It didn't end. We went out because it was useless. Like they were just reading the notes. Well, but nah. The class useless, yes. Balanda umuntu waphesheya le Greece ozosifundela amanotes. Wase Greece umbone ekhuluma kanje uzongizakazakala because he has accent from there. He could have just sent those notes from at least. But yeah, I'm going back to rest now. That's just my Monday. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm going to wash my clothes. I just woke up and today I'm not touching any school book. Trust and believe. I choose myself. So yeah, I'll give you an update of like what's going on in my life, like in terms of the updates with assignments. I'll give it when I come back, but for now let's go wash. You see, I need to like really wash so that I can feel like that girl.
Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really want I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Every time it's raining, look guys, like I don't know, there's always puddles. Like ingazi siyaflada manje. Like ngombe. Check here. Check this puddle guys. Like, is this even professional and ethical? No, it's not. Hi guys, so it's Tuesday. Today I've done nothing but sit in my bed. Like that's literally what I've been doing. So since it's Tuesday, yeah, so I haven't done any schoolwork, but I'm actually proud of the progress I've made. I finished my literacy task board. I finished my literacy like lesson plans that I had to do, all of them. I'll just put the list here and yeah, you'll see. And then I also did my research project. I finished it, and I still had to do my law assignment and my law and policy assignments, and then I have to do SCV that is due for BAT. So I'm gonna start my law and policy today, and I don't know what's happening there, but I'm gonna tackle it, and I'm really excited because I'm gonna cook right now, but I won't cook with you guys because I feel like nah. I'm excited. Something big might happen tomorrow. I don't want to announce it just in case it doesn't go my way, but with God I believe that it will go my way. It will. I serve a living God. So yeah, let's go cook, and I'll see you when I am going to study. So I'm here at the study
the games room basically where I study. And guess what? We didn't do anything. Okay, we did, but like I don't know anything, so it's that. All I did was just dance and listen to music. It's really tough, man. Like I really don't understand what's going on in this assignment, and yeah, like I think I'll figure it out tomorrow. God will lead the way. But from me and the games room, good night, Jim. Good night.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
But I'm going to support them, but this time I'm not only using ears alone. I'm using.
So we're going to study at the library. I have no order. Let's go to the library.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
So we're here at class. I don't know which building is this, but we're gonna study. You can see the thing over here. The people at the back. But yeah, we've arrived. Yeah, we're gonna buy food first and then of course. So this is our space for studying. I think it's fine because I don't know, I feel free because there's no one here, but it's just us. So yeah, this is a study space.
So as I was saying, the law of Moses says that tomorrow is going to start the second week. Today is the first week.
No, no complete now.
Injection.
Ukuthi la public school yabo.
I feel like abantu abanenkingi NSFAS. Inkingi NSFAS.
Ama-funds isikole sinandala
Isikole abamoshangu yena uthe uhambile because ukwazi uzombhadalela ama-fees. What's the use of bayahlupheka who's gonna pay ama-fees? Uzoqhubeka who's gonna pay ama-fees? Because ababhadala ngibhadala last year.
Ubani uzokhokha 50,000.
God will come through. Let me tell you something for her. Something is gonna come.
Oh no, the immigration.
This is what I face when I'm studying, guys. Do you understand?
Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Pretty, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no no last dance.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. I didn't unbox the thing for YouTube. I unboxed it for TikTok. So it's already unboxed. This is my tablet. The thing is in my room. The cable for it. But guys, look at how beautiful it looks. And I've already set it up. Like I'm that girl, you know? So this is, I don't know if you can see because of the, what you call this, the lighting, but yeah, you know, like I set it up, everything is just here. I have my school app, my Bible app, CapCut, everything, you know, I'm like, yo. So yeah, that's my that's my tablet, guys. So yeah, I'm so happy.